Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. We are members of the Penthouse Group from Biology Unit of College Matriculasi Selangor. I am Aniza Abu Bakar and my friends Aminawati Muhammad, Nur Ashikin Abdul Karim, Siti Nadira Nordin and Shuriza Ahmad Syukur will introduce our innovation project, which is
Enhancing biology students' achievements in subtopic immune response using Ires card game. As an introduction, Ires card game is an innovation to help students to describe the correct sequence that occurs in the immune response subtopic. This game strategy is chosen because it is easier for students to remember information on a more relaxed condition. Cards are colorful that can attract students to the game. And lastly, students can scan the QR code to watch a demonstration video on how to play Ires card game. Here are some Ires card game video clips involving bacterial infection cells and viral infections. Before the innovation, the lecturer has difficulty and take longer time to explain operatively the events that occur in immune response subtopic. All students can identify the basic components of the cells and the function of the cells. Students find it difficult to relate humoral immune response with cell-mediated immune response. So, by using the card game, it helps students to further comprehend and memorize the event that occur in immune response subtopic. In this project, we targeted 4 objectives, which are: Number 1, students are able to enhance their understanding on the immune response subtopic. Number 2, students can list down the cells involved in the immune response and the functions of each cell. Number 3, students are able to describe events that occur in the correct sequence. And number 4, students are able to distinguish between 2 types of immune response. In order to achieve our target, we use the PDCA strategy. In the plan section, the 5W1H method is used to find solution to the problem. In the do section, we created Ires card game, which consists of instructions, body bags, coins, paper clips, and game cards that represent pathogen, macrophage, helper T cell, cytotoxic T cell, B cell, and antibody. For the check section, Ires card game was shared with other lecturers to get feedback for further improvement. Next, we chose several classes to test this innovation. For the X section, 40 students will take a pre-test before playing Ires card game. After that, Ires card game is distributed to the students. Post-test is carried out to the same students after the game is over. The Ires card game is to be played by all biology course students in College Matriculasi Selangor. The pre-test and post-test data from study sample of 40 pupils were analyzed. It is discovered in post-test that the excellent category increased up to 42.5% and weak category decreased to 55%. This demonstrates that Ires card game give impact in the improvement of students' achievement in the subtopic of immune response. The creativity of the card is it uses pictorial instructions to help students to narrate the events in the immune response subtopic in a more organized manner. Moreover, the colorful card with pictures may attract students' interest to play the game. This will help the active learning process and nurture the student-centered approach culture among students. Ires card game is also a hands-on activity as the students obtain indirect practical experiences which allow them to learn while playing the cards. For practicality and sustainability, this innovation may build strong networking and connectivity between different institutions by exchanging the innovative teaching strategies with other educational institutions domestically and globally. Iris Card Game has obtained copyright ownership from the Malaysian Intellectual Property Corporation, MyIPO, in March 2019. For benefit to intended and its society, the use of Iris Card Game is fun and helps to enhance the students' understanding while being able to learn in a relaxed condition. It also assists biology lecturers in explaining the abstract and complex biological process. Moreover, QR code is provided, which further helps students to understand the right sequence of the biological process. Iris Card Game is suitable to study immune response subtopic at secondary school and pre-university level. As for the impact to intended users and society, Iris Card Game will help to activate learning process and nurture the student-centered approach culture among the students itself. It uses low cost, easy to get materials. It can be played anywhere at any time by scanning the QR code provided, and students are able to describe the correct sequence in each event that occurs in the immune response subtopic. These are certificates of participation and awards obtained in several innovation competitions. To sum up, we highlight the overall instruction for humoral immune response here. And this is the overall instruction for cell-mediated immune response. That's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.